On 19 August, 8 cadres from a militant outfit named Kuki Tribal Union (KTU) surrendered at 11 Assam Rifles Base Camp, Sikari Bagan, Haflong, Dimahasau, in presence of top officials of the paramilitary forces. It was reported that the group is basically a reorganized group by those militants who had separated their way from the surrendered militants outfit Kuki Revolutionary Army (KRA). The surrendered militants were identified as Self-Styled Sergeant Major Sego, Arm Wing, Self-Styled Sergeant Major Sam, Arm Wings, Self-Styled Lance Corporal Jack, Arm Wing, Self-Styled Corporal Albert, Arm Wing, Self-Styled Private Robert, Arm Wing, Self-Styled Rajapu James, Civil Wing, Self-Styled Assistant Political Organizer Benjamin, Civil Wing, and Self-Styled Assistant Political Organizer Mang, Civil Wing. 7 among the 8 surrender cadres were residents of Karbi Anglong district, while one of the cadre belongs to Dimahasau district of Assam. As per the report, the group is active and mainly operates in Kuki-dominated areas of Nagaland, Dimahasau, and Karbi Anglong of Assam and Manipur. The group had also collected taxes in Kuki's dominated area of Jiribam and Tamenglong recently.
So, how many of you have surrendered today?
Today we have surrendered 8 of us.
8 of us. All are from which places?
We are from different places. We are from Karbi Anglong and from Dimahasau.
The group is affiliated under NSCN IM and is receiving trainings from them at Hebron Camp in Nagaland. It can be said Kuki Tribal Union is wing of NSCN IM since it is the only Kuki militant organization working closely with the NSCN IM. When our correspondent asks about the cause of their surrender, one of the surrendered cadre said, "They cannot roam freely and they wanted to go home, but under the organization, it was not possible. We had worked with the NSCN IM as they had assured us profits."
Hence, when we are in arms, we cannot roam freely. The main aim of surrender is that.
The cadres were later forwarded to Haflong police station for further procedure. Suraj Burmans from Haflong for Karbi Anglong Live.